Hey guys, it's Alan from Zero Band. So I finally got my hands on the Swamp Fox Justice 2 Red Dot, and I gotta say that 30mm big window stands out from the rest. It makes locking onto targets super quick and easy, which is exactly what I love about it. I went with the multi-reticle version because I think that big round 6 MOA circle is gonna make target acquisition even faster. Plus, I want to try something else other than normal single red dot setup. Time to get rid of the clutter and bring out this beauty. So the left up button turns on the red dot. Just keep pressing it to crank up the brightness. According to Swamp Fox, the Justice 2 can handle bright daylight conditions easily, even on a hot summer day. Now let's mount this gorgeous onto my Glock. First, I need to swap out the top plate for the QWK out-of-the-box RMR plate. Normally, I install all screws loosely first, and then apply even twist alternately on them. That is a good practice to minimize unwanted mechanical stress. The Justice 2 comes with 4 different screw sizes, so now our job is to find which one fits perfectly. After a few rounds of trial and error to fixate red dot to the RMR plate, I finally landed on the right nut. A 5.5mm in diameter with a length of 6.35mm, requiring T10 wrench. And to make sure everything stays tight and durable, I'm applying a little bit glue on the screws. Hopefully it will stay secure for a longer period of time. Now this new red dot is permanently mounted on my Glock. Next up, we'll do zeroing with a very special device. Please subscribe and stay tuned.